Does it happen with you that you try to explain a point and end up into an argument? Are you a person who doesn't want to fight but land up into an argument making your point? If yes, then this video is for you. Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder and owner of Alkanand Homeo-Care Clinic, homeopathic consultant, psychological counselor and international career coach. And you're watching my very own channel, Alkanand Clinic. Today's topic for discussion is how to avoid an argument. Stay subscribed to the channel and watch the video till the end. It is said that a person with great communication skills can stop argument. But I say a person with great listening skills will never fall into argument. In today's world, everybody has their own opinion. Everybody has learned to express their own opinion and be verbal about it. Everybody talks about their opinion without any hesitation or fear, just like before. And with this power of expression, somewhere we are lacking the power of listening. Well, many of you might say that we hear out the opposite person and yet end up into an argument. I want to ask you that only hearing out, does it mean listening? If no, then is listening agreeing to the point of view of others? Well, in both the cases I would say no. Listening can be merely termed as hearing out somebody with a motive to understand. But how many of us really do that? We mostly hear out a person with an intention to answer back, to convince them our point of view. We lack the intention of understanding their point of view. And that is where we really get disconnected from them. Because we never try to understand them, try to understand their points. We often hear couples or friends saying this, "You don't understand my point." But how many of us really make effort so that the other person understands our point from our point of view? We just merely keep on arguing and keeping our points. It's like two people are talking in two different languages. The French one can't understand English and the English one can't understand French. To make the opposite person understand, you have to talk in a language that the other person understands. You have to first consider his language, his way, his point of view. First listen this, acknowledge it, understand it, and then explain your perspective. There might be time when both of you will agree to one point, and that is the point of validification which you need to consider. You need to understand the need of the opposite person before you make an argument or before you change an argument into a discussion. It's like the person with the best communication skills can't sell me a sari if I'm looking out for a kurta. Once you have understand the need of the opposite person and you have validified the reason behind the fight, then you are ready to change the argument into a discussion. Only thing you have to do is change your words. For example, one of your close friend is really angry on you and has overreacted. Now, you don't agree to the overreaction that she or he has given to you, but you agree to the reason or you validify the reason to be angry. Instead of saying something which would hurt them, you might just say it in a simple way. For example, I understand that you are angry for so and so reason, and I acknowledge it. I agree to it. But I just expect a little less reaction than this. This way you are not only making a point, but also ending the argument by making it a healthy discussion. Here, both the parties have acknowledged each other's part. Understand, depletion of arguments can be done only when both the people are willing. It is a two-sided crossway. So the three things to take away is, whenever you are having a fight, listen to understand and not to answer. Second one, know the need of opposite person to argue. Third one is validifying the points that you understand and acknowledge of the opposite person. I am sure with these three tips, there will be a reduction in the percentile of argument. I hope this video has been useful for you. For any further queries or online consultations, you can contact me on the below given detail. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay tuned every Monday.